everyone, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and yesterday I had planned to go to a store that I haven't been to in quite a while. As a matter of fact, I've only been there maybe twice in the past, and that is an environment where I can pick up items in bulk quantity, and that's pretty rare around here. So I told Mark of my intentions, and I asked him if he wanted to join me, because I've raved about this place, so has his brother, a couple of times, and he's never been. So he decided that yes, he had nothing else that he'd rather do, so he joined me on this little excursion. And anyway, what we did stop by is a Costco business center, and that's where you can buy bulk beans and you can buy bulk all kinds of things. So I've got a little bit of a pictorial rendition of our walk. Once again, I decided that taking snapshots rather than full video was probably clearer and easier for people to see. But for anyone that wants to know where they can buy beans in bulk, well, that is one place that I'm aware of. As a matter of fact, it's the only place that I'm aware of that I can do that. I've looked high and low. I can buy bulk rice just about anywhere, but beans and other items, not so much. So anyway, hope you enjoy. I did take some video as well while I was at the store, and when putting this film together, I decided that I would add some film clips as opposed to just the stills, because there are some areas where perhaps the video was a little bit more informative and there's more detail than what I could catch in a still. So, hope you enjoy.
Bye.